smoked cinnamon apple, and bourbon. Here's what you'll need to prepare this dramatic and subtly smoky flavored cocktail. Carefully light a cinnamon stick on fire at one end. Once the cinnamon stick has a good trail of smoke coming off of it, place it on a heat-safe surface and cover it with a rocks glass, letting the glass fill with smoke for 2 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, crush some ice. Remove the glass from the cinnamon stick and fill the glass with the crushed ice. Next, pour in the bourbon, the apple juice, a couple of dashes of bitters, garnish with an apple wheel and cinnamon stick. For extra flair, serve it flaming. Smoldering Manhattan. Here's what you'll need to prepare this cocktail. Place about 5 cocktail cherries on a heat-safe surface and using your kitchen lighter or a long match, expose the rosemary to the flame until it is smoldering. Place the smoking sprig of rosemary on top of the cherries and then cover it with a rocks glass for 5 minutes. Add the smoked cherries to a cocktail shaker and muddle them until they are good and muddled. Mashed. You're just mashing them. Add the rye, the sweet vermouth, a couple of dashes of bitters, and shake until well combined. Fill the glass with ice and strain the cocktail into the rocks glass. Garnish with 2 more cherries and a sprig of rosemary. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.